Hey real estate people, just had an apartment go vacant at the 8 unit. Let's go upstairs and take a look at it. Before we even get inside, I see we've got a lot of dents. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. We're gonna have to patch those and paint this door up. Inside, the tenants were here about 4 years, I'm gonna say, so it's not too bad considering they were here that long. We're gonna have to replace the carpet in here. I don't think those stains will come out, so we'll probably replace the carpet. And I'm going to go back with carpet here and leave the carpet in the bedrooms, just because this is a second story unit. And I think at least having carpet in the living room will cut down on some of the noise. When we do that, I'm still debating on whether to replace this flooring in the kitchen, but I probably will, and we'll probably move the hard floor out to here, just because this is always a major wear area. And while we're doing it, we'll put carpet in, or put luxury vinyl in the hallway as well. Kitchen, we need to figure out to get to one color of appliance. We've got a black fridge, that's beige stove and hood, white dishwasher. They left the microwave here. I don't provide the microwaves. So we'll probably get these all to white, and I'll just keep the others for spares. I'm going to replace these countertops. They're looking pretty old, and we'll likely paint the cabinets. That's what I'm thinking right now. The outlets and switches are all looking pretty rough, so we'll go ahead and do that. The biggest job's the bathroom. Probably replace this vanity, get rid of that light. I'm going to have to tear out this tub. You can see here where I patched it a few years ago. A couple of different places. I didn't remember doing that one. But yeah, this tub's going to have to be tore out and replace it. Up here at the top, we've got some drywall damage that we're going to have to fix all around. Like I said, we're going to put luxury vinyl in the hallways. We're going to save the carpet in these bedrooms. It doesn't look too bad. In here, paint all the doors white, and this one I'm probably going to have to replace. It's cracked all the way across, so probably just put a different door on there and paint it. This bedroom, not too bad. Carpet's good in here, so we should be able to save it. So yeah, that's the plan right now. We'll put new thermostats in, but that's the plan right now. Hey guys, it took me a few weeks, but I finally finished up here. So in the living room, we did put in new carpet. On this front door, I bondoed the dents inside and out. Now, every time I do this, once you paint it, you see some small dents you miss, but for the most part, I at least got all the big ones, and it does look a lot better now. I changed out all the outlets, switches, thermostats. And here, this was a phone jack. I just put a blank on there. They're a lot cheaper. I'm not sure why someone would need a phone jack, but if they ever did, the wires are still inside there. We did tear out the old vinyl plank, and if you remember from the before, it ended here. We moved it over to here, so then we were able to just run the vinyl right out into the hallway and into the bathroom. For the bedrooms, I just cleaned this carpet and was able to salvage it for now. In the kitchen, I did end up buying a new refrigerator, stove, and range hood. I typically wouldn't buy new appliances because you can get them so cheap on Marketplace, but found a good Black Friday deal, and honestly I'm glad I bought them because they delivered them for free, and it saved me a day of going around and moving appliances. This dishwasher was the one that was here, and on the washer and dryer, I ended up just taking that out. I just decided I'm not going to provide washer and dryer anymore if it takes just a standard set. If it was like, you know, in a closet and you needed a special stand-up or something, I would provide it, but I'm just trying to eliminate some service costs, so I'm no longer going to provide those. Replace the countertop. We reused the sink, put a new faucet on there, and also while I was doing the plumbing, the shut-off valves in here were all soldered on, 25, 26 years old. So I took all those off and replaced them with quarter-turn compression shut-offs so they can easily be changed in the future if they're ever a problem. These valves, 25, 26 years old, they're just not very reliable, and I'm going to just start making that a like a standard practice anytime I do these, and they have the old valves. I'm just going to replace them all with quarter turn compression. We also painted the kitchen cabinets. I just painted these with a brush and a 1/4" nap roller. You can see they look pretty good. Can't really see any brush marks or roller marks. For the hardware, I found this on Amazon. I think it was 30 pieces for $20. I'll try to leave a link below for that, but I think they look pretty nice for the price. As far as the paint I used the Behr satin cabinet paint. And what I like about this is doors won't stick after 2 hours. I've had problems with Sherwin-Williams in the past where after several days the doors would stick to the frames. I do put these little buttons in here too, but it still can be an issue. So I really like this paint. I did switch color. I had been using tricorn black, but in certain lighting it looked blue, which I didn't like. So I went to carbon, which is more of a true black, I would say. And I haven't seen it look a different color in different lighting settings in here. So anyhow, I think the kitchen turned out pretty nice. Back here in the hallway, I ended up replacing all the old flat panel doors. A couple of them were damaged beyond repair, so I just went with new slab doors. There are raised panel. And I used slabs so I didn't have to tear out all this frame and all that. So it made it a little bit easier to put in. I also added new hinges and new knobs. In the bedroom, we really just painted in here. I painted the old closet doors and spray painted the old gold pulls black, make them look a little bit better. But the major job was in this bathroom. Of course, we put in a new vanity, but we had to tear out that old tub. And anytime I tear out the tub, I go ahead and replace the shower valve as well. Might as well while you're in there. We also fixed the drywall at the top here in the ceiling where the tape was coming loose and painted that whole ceiling. Pretty much same thing in this back bedroom as the other one. Just painted the closet doors and pulls. So I had this rented before for, I think it was around $850. I have this one listed now at $1095. It also includes a garage down below that I won't show, but I've got a showing tonight, so hopefully we can get this thing rented. Please leave me any suggestions or comments you have below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.